good morning students. Welcome to chemistry online class. In this session we will discuss the biological importance of calcium and magnesium from the lesson alkali and alkaline earth metals. Magnesium and calcium, it plays an important, that is vital role in biological functions. Calcium and magnesium plays an vital or important role in biological functions. First of all, we will discuss about magnesium. Magnesium plays an important role in biochemical reactions. Magnesium plays an important role in biochemical reactions. These biochemical reactions are catalyzed by enzymes. Magnesium plays an important role in biochemical reactions. These biochemical reactions are catalyzed by enzymes. And then magnesium is a cofactor. Magnesium is a cofactor of all enzymes that uses ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, in phosphate transfer and energy release. I am repeating, magnesium is a cofactor of all enzymes that utilizes adenosine triphosphate in phosphate transfer and energy release. And then magnesium is important in the synthesis of DNA. Magnesium is important in the synthesis of DNA and then stability and proper functioning of DNA. Magnesium is responsible for the synthesis of DNA and then stability and proper functioning of DNA. And then magnesium is used for balancing electrolytes in our body. Magnesium is used for balancing electrolytes in our body. Now, deficiency of magnesium. First of all, deficiency of magnesium causes convulsion. And then neuromuscular irritation. Neuromuscular irritation. Deficiency of magnesium causes convulsion and neuromuscular irritation. And then we will discuss about calcium. Calcium is the major component of bones and teeth. And then calcium is present in blood. Calcium is present in blood and its concentration is maintained by hormones. Calcium is present in blood and its concentration is maintained by hormones. The hormones are calcitonin and parathyroid hormones. And then deficiency of calcium. deficiency of calcium. Calcium deficiency makes the blood, it takes longer time to clot. Deficiency of calcium makes the blood, it takes longer time to clot. And then deficiency of calcium makes the muscle contraction. Deficiency of calcium makes the muscle contraction. A typical adult human body contains about 25 gram of magnesium and 1200 gram of calcium is the important one. A typical adult human body contains about 25 gram of magnesium and 1200 gram of calcium. And then one of the important process is photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis process, the involved pigment is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment which is involved in the photosynthesis process. Chlorophyll contains magnesium which plays an important role in the photosynthesis process. We will meet in the next session. Thank you students. Thank you.